Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of agricultural aviation, a field where farming meets flying. Did you know this industry took off in the early 1920s? Yep, it all started with a tiny pest and a big problem, the boll weevil. This little bug was wreaking havoc on cotton fields in the Mississippi Delta, and farmers needed a solution fast. Enter the Delta puffers, the first planes built specifically for dusting crops. These pioneers of the sky kicked off an entire industry that's now a cornerstone of modern farming. Agricultural aviation didn't just happen overnight. It was backed by groundbreaking research from the USDA and the chemical industry. Scientists developed new insecticides, herbicides, and even plant growth regulators to help farmers protect their crops. And guess what? Aerial application of these chemicals now covers nearly 50 million acres every year. That's a lot of farmland saved from pests and weeds. But it's not just about cotton. In the Pacific Northwest, agricultural aviation is a game changer for apple growers. Ever heard of windfall damage? It's when ripe apples fall and get bruised before harvest. But with a simple spray from a helicopter, growers can keep those apples firmly on the tree. In fact, saving just 3 apples per tree can cover the cost of the helicopter and chemicals. And in a good year, this technique can save up to 40% of the crop. Talk about a smart investment. Now, let's talk about defoliation. Sounds fancy, right? It's the process of removing leaves from cotton plants to make harvesting easier. And guess who does the job? Airplanes. A week after spraying, the cotton plants stand dry and leafless, and the bolls ripen uniformly. This means farmers can harvest everything in one go, saving time and money. In California's San Joaquin Valley, they even use helicopters for this because of their precision. But of course, helicopters come with a higher price tag, another challenge for agricultural aviation to tackle. Pests are a farmer's worst nightmare. Take the tobacco hornworm, for example. This sneaky little critter can destroy an entire crop if left unchecked. But thanks to aerial spraying, farmers can stop these pests in their tracks. And it's not just tobacco. Corn, wheat, and other crops are protected too. Insecticides are powerful tools, but they have to be used responsibly. Farmers follow strict guidelines to ensure they're safe for both the environment and consumers. Agricultural aviation isn't just about fighting pests, it's also about boosting growth. In wheat fields, planes are used to spread nitrate fertilizers, helping crops mature early and produce more grain. And when it comes to seeding, planes can cover vast areas quickly, ensuring every inch of soil gets the nutrients it needs. It's like a flying fertilizer delivery service. Now, let's talk about weeds. They're the second biggest threat to farms, right after soil erosion. But with pre-emergence herbicides, farmers can stop weeds before they even sprout. A single application of herbicides like 2,4-D can keep fields clean for weeks. And because only tiny amounts are needed, aerial application is super efficient. Just one pass over the field and boom, problem solved. From its humble beginnings in the cotton fields of the South, agricultural aviation has grown into a vital part of farming across the country. It's a perfect blend of science, technology, and aviation, helping farmers grow more food, protect their crops, and feed the world. So next time you see a crop duster flying low over a field, remember, it's not just a plane, it's a farmer's best friend. Now that is all for today's video. I hope you have subscribed to us. If you haven't, well, I can understand because not everyone is an aviation enthusiast. But if you haven't subscribed yet, well, don't be at a loss. Follow us, as the upcoming episode is going to be more interesting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing aviation facts. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.